Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the AirNZ app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The AirNZ app is the official mobile application of Air New Zealand, designed to make booking and managing flights easier for travelers. With the app, users can search and book flights, check in online, and access mobile boarding passes. It also provides real-time flight updates, baggage tracking, seat selection, and personalized travel information. For frequent flyers, the app integrates with the Airpoints loyalty program, allowing easy tracking and redemption of rewards. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many travelers appreciate the app's smooth interface, simple design, and convenience, especially for managing trips on the go. Features like mobile check-in and digital boarding passes help save time at the airport. The Airpoints integration is also valued by frequent flyers who want to manage their loyalty points directly from the app. Still, the app has its downsides. Some users report occasional issues with login, mobile boarding pass errors, or glitches when making advanced bookings. In certain cases, more complex flight management tasks are easier through the website. Also, some features may feel limited compared to competitor airline apps. In summary, the AirNZ app may be worth using if you want a convenient way to manage your bookings, check in quickly, and track loyalty rewards. However, if you need advanced booking options or want a completely glitch-free experience, you may still rely on the website as a backup. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.